You can relax, no? Match and start it, you can relax.
Yes, sir.
Match and start it. No, man, you're supposed to get something more time. I'm going to say what percentage. My thing don't run already.
In line with that bench, please. So we have the cameraman them and take picture for the youth and profile. So them need it is very important. So everybody in line with that bench. Belly man. Behind the camera, tell them.
No, I bench about the bench over so. So others we alone get the privilege to come. So.
Please have a step back on that part there. Here, right? Oh, right.
DVIP. Privilege. Get the full action. For the clash again. It's lighting. Alright, people of the big final, KFA versus Ballers. At present moment, the fans look more nervous than the players.
Referee, beg you to turn around for the camera now. Yeah, you can turn them back down. We're good. We just walk it.
I just say camera, this camera, then we focus on this.
Come on now, big side. Shake up yourself. Shake up yourself.
Let's go!
Let's go. Jump up, jump up. Oh, look like you're not ready yet. Come on, man. No, I watched him out the last time. Let's turn around and start cheering. Security, everything. Energy now, hold up for energy. On your toes, on your toes, on your toes. Ready, my side. Work, work, work. That's tricky network. Ready. Ready up.
Big match. Let's go. The two bars supposed to can get that man.
No man, have this lock. I'm gonna go to the defender, you know. Watch him, watch him. Fuck out that, clear that. Yeah, man. Up Tristan, go Tristan.
Obviously, I told the team up here. The technical level way up. Sir, the technical level way up. Yeah, man. The technical level way up for the match.
Down the wing, Tris. You're not
Match like a sheer fashion. Got to be equal team. Yeah, but support, the crowd support play a big factor.
Yes, Tristan.
And small of details. Oh, catching up on the counter. Yeah, two teams play similar. Yeah. Side netting.
Nice, Narik. Ready, Narik.
I'm not telling you, bad. See? Number 10. Hold up here on the ring, please.
Give little tricky so you watch him and stay close. Oh, Trish, your ball, Trish, your ball. Them boy ain't ready for you, man. Sorry, cameraman.
Well done. your friend. Hit the one there hard.
Come up. Chris, wide, Chris, wide. Up for the ball, Chris. Yeah, man. Up the wing now, Chris. Up the wing. Go, Tristan. Down, Tris. All right, again, same treatment. Tris, stay out there. Hold on. Come to the bar, Tris. Come to the bar. All right, again. Tristan, down the step. Watch the step.
What's defensive about that?
Out of your life, young boy. Control, easy. Look. Out of your life, Noah. Out of your life. Yeah, man. Out of your life. Now play with it. Tris, rush them enough. Get him. All right, do that. Quick down pass. All right, that's all. Right on the goal side.
Sorry boy, good try, good luck. Push on him, try to him bad. him bad man. Next one bad too. Two number 10 him bad.
mark
Two of them
him
outstanding. Yeah man. Like a long way. Huh? Alright. You know? Yeah, I'm going to use a phone. Bomba! Good try, boy.
Good try, Kirky. Good try. Good try. Good try, Kirky.
But the time you talk until now, no one of them in the movie. No? You should have a two.
Right to the goal, Hunter. All right. To the goal, Patricia. To the goal.
Them play experience. Who's on skirt? Inside. Man, look bad on camera.
Get him in a chest. Get him now. Get him now. Get him right now. Get him right.
Hey boy, you fling your ball, so man. Come here, Carter.
Well done, well done.
Go through that a while ago.
Go, Tristan. Look feet. Rasta, right back, Rasta. 30, go right back.
This smell of penalty.
Come on, Tristan. Come on. Run it down, Tristan. Down the line now. Quick, call him now. Call him. Get the nearest one to you. Yeah, that banana or decent.
Really off it.
Yeah, man. Well, that China, that.
And look for support. Bomba, ba. The number 10.
Yeah, man. Everybody's still there.
Everybody sing me. The man is bad, man. He's bad. You have to lock him up on the girl. If you give him the time and space, he hurt you.
Get him, Up, Tris.
Take boy.
Get back, get back, get back, get back. Yeah, man, take with that, Joshua. Take with that. Get that, Pattis.
Control him, man. That's true. Control him, control that. Man. We've seen big kick that we have.
Yeah, come again, Kyle. Come again. Come to the ball.
Man, free him up, man. Him look heavy. Get one off. Ready to pan, see me. You have a phone pan standard? I've seen this other on KFL website. I've seen it Kasaf website. This live. Kasaf on YouTube. No, I'm on YouTube. I'm on YouTube channel. Yeah. Yeah, man. I everything, man. Hey, big safe keeper, big safe keeper, big safe keeper. This is what our final is comprised of. KFL, come out firing. Oh, him quick, man. See bad ball. Yeah. Yeah, man, he won't nobody to receive the ball. I didn't talk about him earlier, but at first we kind of look for, I want to zoom in on him.
Rasta, son.
Yeah, man.
Hey, when you kick it by the keeper weakly. Just kick it past him. Keeper can't save. Keeper save his life. Kick it by the keeper. Run back, Hunter, run back. See the Rasta there on the line.
Yeah, chest. Well done. Tackle. Was extending foot effort. Good one in. Adnan Lias. Yo. Yeah, boy, I play ball for years now, man. Like I play ball long army. have smile, you know? Be a teeth in a goal. Be a teeth in a goal.
Number
10, I chuck it 10. Each of them has a family do this, you know? Good control, boy. Well done, sorry. You know, say I know you play, though, you know that.
You just not put me on a TV, J. You know, he pulled something.
And you kick the ball. Yeah, man. That's him. And pull something. Before we had the drop ball. No, when you kick, you go down after the kick. A big man ball game is a youth play. Big man ball game in play.
Red and stronger.
Yeah.
Good shot, my lad. Again.
In core strength. You
No,
need to
keep
have a
the
work
ball
of core
in front
strength.
of you. Keep him in front of you. Yeah, good, go Hunter. Right. Go, Hunter. Go. Fine. All right.
Sorry, boy. Well done, good shot back.
Lovely Bobby. Yes, fine. Get it on. Lovely Bobby. Red and mark it 10.
How would that fly, sir? You read that well? Good work, boy.
All right, Marley, be Russia now. Watch Rasta. No, keep the boy in front of you, know. Keep him in front of you, yes. Remember, you know, while I'm trying to end him, you know. Shoot!
Oh, Raja. All right.
Matthew, stand up for a fight! Lovely Bobby!
No, it's not so over there. They just scored, yeah. Getting that now. Equalize and make it more interesting.
Time done,
Wait, what? Come on, Hassan. Joseph, I take it on now. Well done. One minute. No matter. Can play at 11. like my parents. Man, eh? Huh?